Good morning, class. How are you? Class, today I am going to share a small story with you again. And the story is about subtraction. The name of the story is Meaning of Subtraction. Meaning of Subtraction. And do you know what is subtraction? Yes, subtraction means to minus something. For example, if I have four sticks, I subtract or minus two sticks out of them. मेरे पास 4 sticks हैं. If I take out 2 sticks out of them, I am left with only 2 sticks. Okay, so this is called subtraction. Subtraction means to minus something. Okay, to minus something out of something. I took out 2 sticks out of the 4 and I'm left with only 2. This is known as subtraction. And I am going to share a small story with you on this topic today. Do you know who are the characters of my story? Yes, there are 2 characters in my story. One is Mr. Bear and one is a monkey whose name is Kattu. Let me show you. This is Mr. Bear. Okay, and second character is Gattu. This is a monkey whose name is Gattu. Let's start with the story. Okay. Mr. Bear. What Mr. Bear did? Mr. Bear said, "Oh, my 9 cupcakes are ready. Let me put some chocolate sauce on them." Mr. Bear has made 9 cupcakes. Look at this. He's having a tray in his hand with 9 cupcakes in it. He said, "Oh, my 9 cupcakes are ready. Let me put some chocolate sauce on them." He went to the kitchen to get the chocolate sauce. Kattu, look at this. Kattu, what Kattu saw? Kattu was passing nearby Mr. Bear's house. Kattu was passing nearby Mr. Bear's house. He said, "I can smell the cupcakes." He said, "I can smell the cupcakes." What he did? What Kattu did? He went to Mr. Bear's house. Kattu went to Mr. Bear's house and he took 2 cupcakes out of the 9. Look at this. Now Kattu took 2 cupcakes out of the 9. Kattu ने क्या किया? 9 cupcakes में से he took 2 cupcakes. When Mr. Bear came back from the kitchen, he saw that 2 cupcakes are missing. He saw that 2 cupcakes are missing. What Kattu did? He took 2 cupcakes from the 9 cupcakes. 9 cupcakes में से Kattu ने 2 cupcakes ले लिए. Okay. Mr. Bear asked Kattu, "How many cupcakes did you take?" How many cupcakes did you take? What Kattu said? Kattu said, "I took only 2 cupcakes, Mr. Bear." Kattu said, "I took only 2 cupcakes, Mr. Bear." Kattu took 2 cupcakes, so he answered, "I took 2 cupcakes, Mr. Bear." Okay. So what Mr. Bear asked him again? Mr. Bear asked, "Kattu, can you tell me how many cupcakes are left now?" Mr. Bear asked Kattu, "Can you tell me how many cupcakes are left now?" But Kattu did not answer. Kattu did not answer. So Mr. Bear told him, "Let me tell you. we subtract to find out how many things are left after some of them are taken away. Mr. Bear explained him. We subtract the number of things we took out of the total number of things to get to know how many things are left. He said there were 9 cupcakes. There were 9 cupcakes on the table and Gattu took 2 cupcakes out of them. There were 9 cupcakes on the table and Gattu took 2 cupcakes out of them. And how many cupcakes are left now? There are 7 cupcakes left on the table. There are 7 cupcakes left on the table. This is the answer which Mr. Bear gave to Gattu. That Gattu, you took 9, there were 9 cupcakes and you took 2 cupcakes out of them. So we are left with 7 cupcakes on the table. But Gattu said, I didn't get it, Mr. Bear. Gattu said, I didn't get it, Mr. Bear. Then Mr. Bear said, okay, Gattu, I will explain you. I will explain you. Now look carefully how Mr. Bear explained the subtraction to Gattu. What he did, he said, Gattu, draw the number of lines. Draw the total number of lines equal to the number of cupcakes. How many cupcakes were there on the table? 9 cupcakes. So he said, Gattu, first of all, draw 9 lines. 9 cupcakes were there on the table, right? So he said, draw 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then he asked Gattu, how many cupcakes you took? Gattu said, I took 2 cupcakes. I took 2 cupcakes. Then he said, now put the sign of minus here. This is the sign of minus. Put the sign of minus here and cut the number of lines equal to the number of cupcakes you took. तो गट्टू ने कितने cupcakes लिए थे? He took 2. So he crossed 2 lines. 1, 2. He crossed 2 lines. And now let's count the number of lines left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many cupcakes are left? 7. Got it? What Mr. Bear did, he draw 9 number of lines and then he crossed 2 number of lines out of 9 and the answer is 7. Okay, so this is the way he explained the meaning of subtraction to Gattu. This is the minus sign, subtraction sign. He said this is a sign which we put when we subtract something. Okay, so in this way he explained the meaning of subtraction to Gattu. And Gattu said, yes, Mr. Bear, now I have got it. Now I got the meaning of subtraction. Mr. Bear said, Gattu, now you can eat your cupcakes. Now you can eat your cupcakes. Okay, students, have you got the meaning of subtraction from the story? Yes, subtraction means to minus. Let me explain you once again. Look at this. There were 9 cupcakes and Mr. Bear drew 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then Gattu took 2 cupcakes, so he crossed 2 lines out of them. So the cupcakes left on the table were 7. Let's count the number of lines left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 lines were there. So the number of cupcakes left on the table were 7. Okay kids, so this was a small story on subtraction. Go through this story very carefully and then you will learn the meaning of subtraction very well. Bye.